it's Randy. Finally I move now up on the road. I'm black at the with me. I'm going to go up on the hill quick, you know, and come back down. You know, so I will get some of the fresh air. People, don't watch no face. If you don't know me, just watch the show. Don't watch me. How long and far away I come, how far away I go. You mentioned on the program is to preserve, to entice people to come back home. Because look how the place nice.
True, man.
Eh? Look how the place nice.
The man I'm going to no corona now, you know, trouble.
No corona.
Just come out there, bush, get the farming.
So if you don't start get corona around there, so no say I may bring it.
Oh, yeah, true.
They want to start dead around there, I said, you know, sir, Ran did come. So I want to check with me in 2 weeks, you know. Say, Ran, you good? Yeah, man, me good. So if me good, you no good. Yeah, man, Blacker. If the man them want to come link you, I go give them your number. Alright?
Yeah.
So them can come link you. All the dance them I want to come link you if you get some yam or whatever. I go make them link you. You are going to be now the whole connection for down here, sir. You see me? I going to make them connect with you. You hear me say, Blacker?
Yeah.
And you are going to be the one. The church up there, sir.
I'm going to say church, because church on the road, I just echo the music and echo this.
Hey. That youth, them I know that youth, them on rat brother, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Rat brother. So Mark, what go on?
Go on, yeah.
Everything good with you?
So far.
Okay, that's good, sir.
Vale.
Yes. That's how we're going on, girl.
Yep.
People, Mark, you know, the shoemaker, this, you know, see me. If you guys want the shoes fixed, just come link Blacker and Marky will fix the shoes for you, alright?
Okay.
Just bring in the shoes from foreign, come on. Marky will fix them, yeah? See up top there, and that's where we come from. See there, up top. Marky, so how the shoes business are going now?
Yes, sir, I've done back now.
Them say you're the mayor, you know. Them say you're the mayor around here, so everybody shoes you fix, right? Pops, Marky fix your shoes too?
Yeah, man. Shoes mash up, that's me shoes.
Yeah?
Shoes mash up, shoes done.
Shoes done. Alright, my corona, Mark, I'm going to let you off from here, so.
Yeah, bush.
Yeah, I'll go. Go tap it nice. When go to dead, them go on, so. Blacker. People seem there, Blacker. Give them your number.
Yeah, 39 1745.
Alright, so you are.
Blacker always called
Pops. Name Blacker. So all the big man them, you don't want to come check Blacker.
Sell us some food.
Sell you some food, cook some food for you.
Any food you want, we can cook it.
You can cook it. And then I'm going to show you the good life. And
yeah, going every farm right now.
Look there, Blacker will get you the coffee. Blouse and skirt, he'll bring you to the farm. When you come, Blacker, you're going to famous, you know. Give them your number again.
Yeah, 39 1745.
Good. Just take care of the people then. Don't make them gossip. Don't make them waste your time. But then they will come for the good life and they will take care of you. All the big man them, when they want a yam head, when they want anything, look on the coffee them. You parch coffee too?
Yeah, man. Parch coffee and drink coffee, man.
Is this, oh, looks good. So you parch coffee for them, you make pudding too?
Yeah, man. I'll give you that one and make pudding for the system.
So you can make pudding
Huh?
You can make pudding.
Yeah, man, we have phone, man. Make phone ready for the sister. You can't cook, man. You know something you can cook already.
Yeah, man.
Cook a dance, dinner.
You cook it. So any guys you want him to cook for you, just wear your mask. Okay? This man make a wicked goat head soup. You can take the tour. He'll bring you on the tour. So when you want to come on the vacation tour, just contact you. Wow. Wow, Blocker. Them ready?
Yeah, fitted.
So yeah, pumpkin when them fit, call me. Get me one.
What if I sweet potato plant? What other land?
Sweet potato.
Yeah, man. You know, potato still in the star right. Yeah, sweet potato plant. In the star right. Sweet potato plant. Yeah.
I'm chewing up the coffee. Chewing up the seed.
My farm place is that. Nigga yam that over there, nigga yam wrong that.
Yeah.
Nigga yam that. The yam that you got is good. How do you want it now? So I go find it first.
Yeah. But still, bro, after all these years, can't get over there. Ah. Yeah, for fit. Yeah, for fit. How much?
$30 a pound for yam.
$30? That's not expensive. Didn't it go $200 once?
$3,000 I mean.
$3,000 a pound?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. $30 a pound. See? That means if you sell 100, you get $30,000. Yeah, $30,000 for 100 pounds.
So that means people can buy a car around here.
Yeah.
All them people have a lot of yam.
No, yeah, if you have a lot of yam, no.
They'll survive.
You make money. You will survive, but you don't have it, you still suffer.
Yeah.
Because right now, I know right here, I know. So we can't get none of the money.
Yeah.
If you just go and live, you see me? If you just go and live, they will let them come to my one still now. I am just like I say. In the September going to October that they're going to come in, but and peace. They are younger one. When I want weed up. Plant all turnip that you then grow there. Now we drop turnip.
Yeah.
You know, I sprinkle on every day if you come up and plant one cup of tomato.
You?
Yeah, man, I come burn up every day if you plant some tomato. But you do if I dead business and I want to town to down here. And
what dead business? Oh.
what's that? A couple of days there, you know. Look at that down dead. That's a man stoppy dead, PG count dead. You know, you be in and out with the pan.
Okay.
In and out. You see?
Yeah.
What you place here? Tell me now, see. Right now, we'll cut down the whole of them place like January after. One of them places we'll cut down January. Now get on power side to buy.
Okay.
You start on power side, you over there.
Oh, have ladder there, so.
No,
Where do?
you take the chop off food there. Chop off the food there, because I don't go cook food and take it there. Yeah. You prepare your chop off the food outside.
Yeah.
Everything is the same when I be a tomato like come back on the pan.
Mm-hmm.
Have you said tomato better about the same?
Yeah.
What you want now? You went way out town and went inside. Rain far.
Yeah.
You go down the soccer there.
Yeah.
That's to me never there. I have to keep on spraying. You have to go.
Yeah. Turn up. Oh.
You must have a bad Jerry there, you know.
Yeah.
What do you mean, man? The wind is going around with you, man. The rain up for 3 months. So you can start far already. You have to take it down, bush.
So bring the cow back.
Yeah?
Come on, bring the cow back.
Man, I'm spray land.
Then bring the cow.
I don't think you can do it like this grass, you know. You can't do it like nothing. Yeah, man. I just want to make you like to get a bed, you know. I did the way make it, you know. You plug me one of that, I'm buying to get to see dance away. When I see Jerry down now, when the pan in now, if you give me a cup of water, I'm going to tell you I'm going to enjoy it back. One cup of tomato, I don't know balance of seed from here. One cup of tomato, I'm going to plant it here. You see how the cancer is come up here and spread a pumpkin and spread a whole lot of land.
Pumpkin, I got spread out.
What? That was spread out the whole life. Let me look at that if you can find a couple of pumpkins. The place I grew up in a bush creek.
Yes, I. Right there. In no time. Yeah. If you do anything in life, you have to watch yourself and do it quick. Yeah. Yeah, man. Stone a breakaway. All the one man bring cow back right there, so.
If you guys see any cow, you can't nothing still. Cow can't do that nothing.
Yeah.
Cow eat the grass when the place on wood.
True, true.
You're going to have the grass and go up in and turn it the whole place. If you cow feed them around.
True, true.
Cow feed the cow, but I think the grass and he came back and he can't move the land.
Yeah, that makes sense.
He can't move the land.
Yeah.
You can't have grass and go about the business.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, remember this is clean up, you know?
You say they clean up and look. I look on it now.
Wow.
Just a couple months I get it.
Wow. Wow. Brother.
But there's a place I grow music plant, you know.
This one?
Right up here, sir.
Grung.
Yeah? I remember I go up here and grow over there. My birds plant grow over there.
So when you look over there, so where you see over here, so?
About this, they call about the gunting. That's a baka.
Gunting.
For a bush. That's when you go with me. John Rock, you walk ground there, you walk out a gunting down there. Over there. I thought that I'll be able to nobody in place, you know, but all of them people you see where we come from, you know. Yeah, man. We are back as that.
Yeah.
We are nobody in place. We don't have nobody in place.
Yes, man. Whitby, where I come from?
Yeah, man, I'm probably that right up to her. But I right up to her, you know. Going right up.
Yeah man, the bush there. Yes, Pops. Look at the bush there. The bush is here, brother. Freedom. Look on the place. Yes, so Corona affect a lot of people. But does it affect the farmer much?
Yeah man, I mean so
Food no stop, sir. Yeah. Whoa! Watch myself, people. People. Watch myself. Randy don't like. Randy's not like Spider-Man right now. He's a 47-year-old man with a belly. With a belly, cause if they wish them trick me, no people. I straighten out the tank headway now. But well, at least they have water up here, so. The tank, not even a tank, tank. Like something smell. The tank. Well, so now the new leader here, Blacker. Blacker on the tour guide. So this is where you catch water. Where you do the water?
When I water tomato, then I do this way.
Oh, okay. There's a little tomato bed you have.
Yeah, I'm not trying to make one bed, man. I'm not transplant it everywhere.
Oh, you're going to transplant it all over.
It's getting burned down. So that's why it's okay, burned down.
People, if you don't really want the farm life, see him there. Blacker. Blacker, the big maca. You know what I say? Look on the mosquito them. Guys, when you come to Jamaica in the bush, dress properly. Don't, ladies, wear your pants, okay? Mosquito them love foot. Alright? And don't wear no shoulder. Cover your shoulders, cover your chest, cover your neck. Blacker, you are immune to the mosquito them. They make nice, they don't bother you. People link up Blacker, take care of him for me. I'll be going to St. Mary. So link up Blacker and take care of Blacker. When you guys want your yam, your produce and things, and you would need the knowledge, you know. Oh, over the mango tree there. Is it? All of these mangoes are bad.
They have maggie tree for a robin tree.
What do you call the tree?
Robin.
Robin? These are like hog mangoes, like pig mangoes.
A good mango, but have you maggie tree? None of them are good.
Well, that's why they're hog mangoes, because
They're not good.
if they don't good, the hog will eat them. And I said, Mary, oh no, guys, you see this right here, so Blacker? This is the Shimmer Marker. You know what this is good for? You see, if you have this is good for nervous problem. Huh? No, no, no. Here's what. This is Shimmer Marker this.
Shimmer Marker.
And Shimmer Marker this.
It's not Shimmer.
Oh, Kasha Marker.
Shimmer Marker, the one you touch it down here.
Yeah. So now, what is the Kasha good for?
Yeah. That was wild tree, man.
The Shimmer Marker, them say you pull it out.
That it down here.
And then you pull it out so you don't cool down.
Yeah.
And then you wrap it around if you have a pain in your foot or a cut or something like that, you say? I hate for you do it.
Like where the wild geek.
No, you wrap it, another bush. But that bush is supposed to be very important if you have a bad cut or something them say about spraying or something. I think for spraying.
No, that bush that are good for spraying.
That bush?
Yeah, man, you beat up it like that, you jar up it, beat up with custard apple leaf.
Custard apple leaf.
With some vinegar.
Spraying. Heal the sprain. But they say you have to take it up without it closing.
No, man, you have it closed. Why is your hand touch it up here? Why is your hand go on it up?
Maybe you just clip it quick.
No, man, you still have to go close.
You still have to go close?
Why is your hand touch it up here? Anything goes to right, you shut it.
Okay, so Auntie Lena did say something to me about it.
No, man, why your hand touch it? You can go shut it.
Where you go burn them down?
The fast on your side now.
You cut down the tree them?
This is place at Woodland. If you want next couple of months, you can walk or so.
Yeah.
I cut them down, I get them cut down. In time I get this, who's something to buy the chain? I chain I go buy, I 5,000 set the chain.
Okay.
I go buy the chain.
This is Blacker's bush. This is Randy. Jamaica Good Life. Every time we connect people with people to help people. Simple. Nobody no send me nothing for nobody. Everybody talk to everybody directly. If you're somebody on the program you want to connect and help, you contact me 646-330-9150 and you help that person. You get your food from the farm directly and you live your life and enjoy the good life, right? A simple thing, not complicated. We've helped a lot of farmers. Now we want to get Blacker thing up and running. Patrick have 2 cows and a donkey. Other people have chicken coop, right? Blacker, you need help, right? You have kids running for Jamaica. So this man have a daughter. How's she performing?
I go on good man. I check her and I know him come back I come go on easy, you know.
So the runner, what's her? How is she racing?
Right, run 800 and 1500. Yeah man, I go on good man. I come second to one more, then come third. I take them step up himself, you know.
Okay.
So one day come first.
And so now we know say Miss Hippolyte, big up yourself. Aliyah.
I take exam. I take paper exam that year.
Yeah. So you're on a banana around there, you're not around there already? I could go around the bush. See what food we can get, around there, long belly. Big up to man called Kevin. Big up man called Mark. Remember when I staying at Kingston, when I have to stay at Mark Place, you see. And if you don't need an Airbnb in a Montego Bay, want to call me on WhatsApp 646-330-9150. We help farmers. Jamaica Good Life is about farming. We help farmers. We help business people to continue their business. So this is the ground we want to expand. So the foundation of Jamaica is farming.
Peas and corn, this,
Peas and corn?
I'm going to ready to go to and buy them peas, yeah.
Red peas?
Red peas, I plant half a pit of red peas.
Okay.
Now carrot that going on.
Yeah.
No, everything we plant, man.
Okay.
Actually, carrot never come in. I want.
Your yam stick broke. People, you know done. Jamaica Good Life. All I really want now is a good wife. I did have some prospective woman, you know. But then get afraid. Because they don't want to be in a pan. You also have some ganja too? Oh yes. You good on the wheat planting?
Yes, I try plant up some little something. That's a man, you give me that seed already, I'm growing there.
Yeah.
Philip.
Yeah.
So once I catch a couple trees, I want to catch a couple trees.
Okay.
Philip, give me that wheat seed already, I'm growing there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We get money go get until you know.
Okay.
You just even growing there already, man.
Yeah?
The last one.
Oh, for the dead yard?
Yeah, eh?
When the dead yard happen?
Yeah, but carrot then a bit.
Carrot they look little blacker.
If you join that, then catch them out, man.
But a good carrot when them look slow.
Yeah, but they come, they know 100 feet. Maybe they fit too.
So the yam grow up. So when the yam grow tall, right? When the yam grow tall, does it get bigger?
They stick them.
Yeah. Oh, yes, brother. That's organic, right? You don't spray nothing, right?
Just plant and care.
You don't spray no fertilizer?
I like the peas up there. You don't know if peas are going up so bad. Like this 20 carrot. I first be up to you know. I'll be a carrot plant on the wall and you know, and through the Jerry they never grow.
Yeah?
So with them and so that's why I have to come through now, come clean up the back. And plant peas. I buy the peas and plant the peas and the carrot.
So you don't know when there is good weather?
You can't sit down and find the weather. You just go out there and sit down and find the weather. When you rain off, you can't down.
So you're not planting the rainy season?
You don't have to plant to get the rain season.
Okay.
I don't have to get the rain season.
Yeah. See the people that when you come to the bush and pay mosquito, you know. Yeah, mosquito can't do nothing.
You want to get mosquito?
Yeah, you're
What are
right.
they on?
What are they on, people? See that? Jamaica Good Life, this is what we talk about. We not change the script. And this is what we do deal with when we say Jamaica Good Life. Blacker, them organic?
Yeah, man. So,
We don't want no fertilizer carton.
I won't tell them, man.
And smell people. And smell good, now go eat them raw. Nice. Bat. When you say bat. Oh, so you don't spray them? Good. So you tell me your field is without any spray? In Blacker?
Somebody see them get spray, man. Like you don't over there, so. With fertilizer.
Fertilizer. But you don't spray no pesticide? No. Good. It's good though. Some of the corn them bat must catch. So you think the corn them not go grow?
Eh?
Them not go bear?
Oh, the corn them?
Yeah. Cause the bat eat them off?
The one them out the head them, man.
The money I'm out the head? Oh. So you had to spray them? But you never spray them?
Yeah. Never spray them.
You never had the money to spray them?
Because chemical my wood cost 50 euros.
Brother, take your time.
Carrot them powerful.
Them big man.
Yeah, man catch a crop of carrot them with them food, you know. Yeah.
So if you plant, how much did you pay for all the seeds that you bought for carrot? How much you pay for?
The thing, I buy one pack for $3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
And if it did catch, you would make about how much?
Well, I could get all I say. Once you been beer, I could get £1,000. And then the carrot sell for two bills a pound, them would have catch up around $150,000.
$150,000?
Around $100,000.
100,000 from 3,000 investment?
Yeah, man, but 3,000 investment to the time. But yeah, 3,000 investment to the time. Come in. 3,000 investment to the time.
It's not like
Other buyer may as well just trade and say, oh. You know, sir, we can't keep up down
this side. He's gonna get a stick. He called it a tick. There's a tank. He calls it a tuck. What you call it? Tank. So, Blacker. I grew up with Pops. Who called you Blacker?
Huh?
Who called you? Pops is original name, but this man have his daughter run the national stadium, so you guys have to link up with him. So what if a man wants you to plant yam for them at their field? You'll do it. You'll work for them.
Work for them.
Right, let me call you at St. Elizabeth to do some farming. Or in them yard.
Oh, that can't go on, man. You know, if you're farming too long,
So you ready? You leave it out? So the carrot. I'm gonna wash off a piece of that carrot. When we talk about Jamaica Good Life, see there? When the world run out of food, you guys can lease land, hire a farmer for a week, and you can then take care of your field. When you come back to Jamaica, there's no corona around here. We don't wear masks around here in the bush. You buy the carrot seed in this.
Yeah,
$3,000. And if you take care of your carrot, you can make. What are you doing with the water? To jam this stick? Get the dirt. Okay. So if there's a stone there, so Blacker, if we get like an electrical, what would make your job easier? Like, yeah.
I work here, you know. I can just give you the strength, you know.
There's no machine that can work on this ground.
It's the white man and design it.
A black man can design it too.
Yeah? They say they might design it, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll just get design. I'll take up that thing, you know?
Yeah.
If you don't take up the thing, I'm going to scar it.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to be around now, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But I say ending October, September, October, then I'm ready.
Mm-hmm.
If they might be ripe now, you know, going to make around 300 grand now.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Got a big ground, you know?
Yeah.
That's it, same thing, so I have to do with the work, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Big ground one down up yonder.
Yeah.
So just make it go on there,
Yeah.
I say banana enough it, yeah?
Banana no fit.
Okay.
Alright, we get some carrot, we're good.
Now turnip what they say, no?
You have turnip?
Turnip, so what's up the
Turnip ready?
Must plant turnip, man. We try to plant everything, man, because you know, the food I can have every day.
Food must be eaten every day.
Every day. You can't come a bush and go to boom.
Mm-hmm.
I'll make one trick $5,000. Really? Come in.
We'll check some turnip, guys.
My beer, they have my beer and I send up the exporter.
Sprout.
Yeah, man, bearing sprout. Yeah, man,
So when the yam is ready to bear, this is a sprout. It sends up.
February this is going to plant too.
This was planted in February.
I want to come in by October.
And it'll be ready by October.
They say how long we take to make money when we work.
It takes a long time to make money when he works.
8 months.
About 8 months to get his yams. Turnip. Give that to me, please, sir. This is Randy. This is Jamaica Good Life. See that? Soup ready. Hey,
Soup ready.
take a whole heap of turnip for me.
You want turnip?
I want turnip because me's a turnip monster.
Okay. But you know, I'm cooking a beef soup.
Yeah, I don't eat meat still now. But...
Then she drop in because they must spoil now.
Yeah.
And I said, what time I just done here? You know, come back already. I can't finish it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Some of them are so big.
Yeah.
This one. Some of them drill and plant it to drill. They drop some idea.
Mm-hmm.
One man do where they said one man and a mom. But it kind of said if one little stones there. They say me plant in a drill. Maybe more. But we just come and buy it and sprinkle it through the ground.
Yeah.
You know, try that thing,
Mm.
so if I go plant again now, I go to boom and just drill up one piece of land.
Yeah.
Don't get some more drill up piece of land. Drill up piece. Japanese some nice. You got to work, master. If you have everything I go on. Come on, go.
Give thanks. This is for the people. It's not for me. People, that's Jamaica Good Life. So when you hear them say good life, it don't get better than this. Alright, come black up, make all leave out.
Alright, no.
We're good, man. We give thanks. Yeah. Mm.
I carry the bush them.
Hmm?
I want to take off the bush them. Alright.
When we reach up.
It's okay.
Are the right way this?
Yeah, man. I don't remember that different because it is just
Yeah, people. All about Jamaica. Good life.
So money like so money I have plan for
Don't wash no face, brother. Things will get better.
I don't put there no one if I just line up yourself right here and make a good money as I know.
Yeah.
I get out some level that you can plan. No, if it's a cheap you make money and if you're rich. That's true.
Yeah.
Blood around your car, sweet potato around your car, carrot. That's enough money. So one cup of farming can buy all the same bus you have.
Eh?
I mean, one cup of farming can buy that.
So people will be fine.
Yeah? I just want you want a good landscape.
Yeah. Yeah. A full key in them this. A full key in them. Them already here. Jatori, big up yourself for all God's glory. We say Jatori. Steve, man called Trusty. Wash no face. Jamaica Good Life, them cannot erase. Them a go tired fi see me face. Them can't get me out of the place. You see me?